Thank you so much. Once again, you're most welcome to my YouTube channel. And for now, I'm going to be discussing with you like the introduction to micro like Excel. So we are going to see here, you're going to type into the searching bar. So I'm going to type into Excel. So the apps is even here already. So you're going to click on it and you wait to bring you the like the options it have for you. So you're seeing here a lot of things. You're seeing your company's name, what they're all there. But for our case, just as the introduction, so we are just starting mainly with what a brand document. Yeah, so here you're seeing a lot of things. You're seeing here A, B, C, D up to Z. And here you're seeing from here running from 1 to infinity, just there. So this one here, it is called a cell. This blank space here, it is called a cell. And this one here, it is called a row. This one here is just called a row. And this one here, it is called a column. Yeah, it is called a column. The one, the box vertically is called the column, and the rows horizontally, okay, like the box horizontal is just called what? The rows. And then in between them is called what? The cell. Like for example, like if you are to see here where the cursor is, that one is the named box, where like anything you're writing or you're entering in A, it will all appear in that box. For example, let me like enter over G, like G. All those things, they are going to appear into what? The formula box. Here is what I'm meaning the formula box. And here is things concerning A. It shows you that you are still in the column for A, or you're still in the row and the columns for A. And here if you click into B, you have seen it has changed to B1. So anything you're going to what? You're going to enter in B is still going to be what? In B, though those things will be showing into what? The formula box. And then if you click on this, see the same, it will also what appears. So that was just what I wanted you to show you. And then from down here we have in sheets, and here you're seeing a plus sign here, meaning you can what? You can add onto what? Onto more sheets here. Like here from sheet 1, you can click onto sheet 2, and you're seeing like some sheets have been extracted already. You can click furthermore into sheet 3, and till like depending on the document that you're going to enter. So here I want to show you something that is again very important. For example, the use of this formula box here. It's going to show all the actions that you are doing within the Excel or within the bars you are in. Like for example, when you're in bar 1, let me say we are adding 60. That one is in cell 1, and then this one here in cell B we are having 20, and then cell 3 we are having let me say 30, and then this one here they have seen A. But now this one here, the A is because we are still in cell A, and this 2 is because we are in row what? Row 2. I hope you have got me right there. So now I'm in row 2. Now you see the different comes. Now here I'm in row 3 already. That's why it's written A3. I hope you have got me right there. So let me enter just simple figures so that we can figure out something. In 33, and here we're having 11. So supposing I want to do some calculation here in the Excel. Like for example, I want like the sum of what? Of the row of the cell 1, of the cell I mean cell A, cell B, and cell C. I'm going to come here into cell D. Now here I'm going to click onto equal sign, because for anything that you want to calculate in the Excel, in the micro Excel, you need to start with what? Equal sign. Equal sign, then I'm going to type the sum. Sum there. Then I'm going to I'm going to click here. I think so. So it's like equal sign. I'm going to type the sum. Sum is here, and I'm going to you're seeing the bracket is there. This one here, you're seeing A1 plus B1 and C1, and so here it is A1 plus C1 plus like minus A2, B1 minus C1. Yeah, so it is like that. And here you're going to save and close your bracket. So you're going to press what? Going to press onto enter. Wait, let me first undo it. Undo, yeah. Okay. Going to enter here, equal sign. Going to write there sum, and we are going to open bracket and A and plus B1 plus B C1. So I'm going to close your bracket and then open it first. Now this shows us so going to enlarge. Yeah, so that's brought me the answer, and here is also how you can enlarge the cell. For example, with the formula, and you've seen here the cell of enlarge. It's not like what the others we had before. So here, like for example, if you're having many documents, you just come here until you see the plus sign there between the rows, then you will left click onto that, then you just what pull down, and obviously also for these rows will be what calculated. And so in the formula box here, you're seeing all the formulas that I've used, what it is written here. So thank you. That's all about you go. That's all how you go about introduction to micro Excel. Thank you.